Hey, Tommy Williams here, Riverhead Ford Lincoln. I'm with Karen Tangredi, one of our sales professionals who just got back from Texas. She went down to the proving grounds for the all-new Ford Bronco. Actually got to see it, feel it, touch it, and drive it. Karen, what can you tell us about the car?
It does everything and more that Ford said it was going to be able to do.
Example, what are some of the things you did?
I went off-road with it for over 2.5 hours. We went in mud, we went in water, we went in rocks, we went in ruts. We did everything.
Climb any mountains, hills?
Yep, mountains, hills, up, down, sideways, backwards, everything.
Now when you said rocks, I saw a picture and they actually have like wheels off the ground pivoting. Did you get to do things like that?
Yeah, and really cool what Ford did with the Bronco is they did FAD, front axle disconnect. So when you're up and you have one wheel up in the air, kind of like lose your center of gravity, so you can hit this front axle disconnect and it drops the wheel and it gives you more balance, and then you slowly release the brake and you go right down. So the car and the Bronco goes over moguls really easy.
Almost like a wild animal.
Yeah, it literally crawls. It's really wild.
Cool. What about the interior?
Big screen that when you're in the trail mode, you see in front of you. And the seats are so comfortable. They're more comfortable than the F-150, believe it or not. It's kind of like F-150-ish feel inside. And it just wraps around you and you feel, all right, I can do this.
So one of the pictures I showed you had posted, you were driving one with no doors on it. How easy are those doors to come off?
They're easy. What they recommend to make it even easier for you is if you put the covers on, disconnect it, and just pull the door right off. Put them in the back, take them out, put the covers on, hook up the door, pull the covers off, so you're not scratching the
And
doors.
that's something you can do by yourself, or do you need two people to do it?
No, you can do it by yourself, especially when you have to keep the bags on the doors.
Right, cool.
Yeah, and they give you the tools to do it too. They give you a little socket wrench, and they're also going to give you a little guide to help you get the door in line, because the way that it does it, it's two different ways, but it works great.
All right, cool. Well, we should have one here probably within the next 2 or 3 months. I think our first one's going to start arriving, so it's definitely exciting. I wish I could have got to see it and drive it myself, but that time will come. Thank you, Karen.
You're welcome.